Mamata, dami último. Wee, wee, wee. Mamata, wee, wee.
What do you have in your mouth, Harper? Huh? What is it? What do you have in your mouth that you don't want us to see? No, I'm not friends. We're not friends right now. What's in your mouth? You gonna show me? Should you have that? Come on. Give it up. No, we're not friends. We're not friends. No, and she's not gonna help you either. What is in your mouth? Come on. Come on. Come on. Something red. What is it? Let go. Let go. Oh, you're a bugger. I'm going to get that off you soon.
Treat? You just had a whole bunch, so you can't have any. No treats for you. Waffles?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Wait, hang on, stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy, please! I've been such a good boy! Don't do it! No!
No, 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 no.
Archie, get off the table. Get off the table. Hey,
Okay.
Oh, God damn it. Oh, my God. Get off of me.
Where am I supposed to go?